I welcome everyone here on this special, beautiful day of October 1st, 2022 in New York City, and thank you so much for joining us. We have come together to celebrate the matrimony of Danielle and Mathew here in Central Park, one of the most iconic and romantic places not only in New York City but in the whole world. This loving couple met each other online through a dating app, Bumble. They have been together for almost 5 years and got engaged at Disney World. And today, they are standing here ready to become husband and wife.
You are mine. I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, but just as sure as the sun will rise, I'll be there when you need me. With every tear that falls from your eyes, oh, you have me complete. I'll be there when you need me.
Danielle, today,
Mathew, today,
I take you as my wife.
I take you as my husband.
I vow to honor
I vow to honor
and respect you,
and respect you,
support
support
and encourage you.
and encourage you.
I promise to dream with you,
I promise to dream with you,
celebrate with you,
celebrate with you,
and to stand by your side
and to stand by your side
through the good times and the bad times.
through the good times and the bad.
Promise to always choose you.
I promise to always choose you.
Vow to stay true to you
I vow to stay true to you
and love you unconditionally
and love you unconditionally
for the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life.
Breathe. I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, but just as sure as the sun will rise, I'll be there when you need me. With every tear that falls from